Hey YouTube, it's Lauren here from My Pink Hanger. I actually washed my hair for once, so if I'm touching it a lot, I am apologizing right off the bat. I'm just hopping on today. You can't really see it, but I have a big box right here that was sent to me from, I think it was Chattanooga. Yep, Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's somebody I have actually sold an item through Instagram to, and he is a reseller, and he had some stuff that I guess he wasn't interested in selling or didn't want to sell, and so he offered it to me. I think I'm pretty sure I paid $90 for this whole box, and it worked out to be like $3 an item. So I'm just gonna do a haul. I honestly don't even remember what's in here, and I purchased all of this like via an Instagram video where he was just kind of like showing it to me. So we'll see. And he wrote me a sweet little note. Hey Lauren, so upon packaging the item, I realized there were a few bleach stains on the vintage Tommy Hilfiger sweater at the very bottom, and so as a token of my apologies for failing to acknowledge the flaw, I went ahead and threw in tearaway Adidas track pants that I purchased from Urban Outfitters a while back. Once again, thank you. Very sweet. I answered a lot of like reselling questions for him, and we actually talked for a long time. Very cool guy. It's so fun meeting people on the internet. I'm gonna dive into this. I'm drinking a watermelon seltzer. If you see me drinking that, they're amazing, from Costco. Try them. So let's dive in. This is super cute. Oh my god, I wish I had this when I went to Disney. This is a vintage Winnie the Pooh. Awfully hard to be brave when you're such a small animal. This is so freaking cute. I feel like it would fit me too. Anyways, that's cute. Men's Adidas size small track pants. I think those are the ones he was talking about. These are super nice. Here's the Adidas logo. These are cool. I feel like somebody would definitely want those. Here's another, oh, there's more Adidas. This is an Adidas like hoodie. This is cool. I like that. I have to say cool when it's like guy stuff, not cute, because guys do not like their things being called cute, in case you're wondering. So these are another pair of Adidas track pants. These are so nice, like all black snaps. Gosh, these are in like really great condition. Let's see, Lucky Brand men's corduroys, green, size 31-32. Athletic Slim is the style on those. So it is a mixture of men and women stuff. Oh, and he gave me this too. This is so cute. It's a J. Crew, I believe. Yeah, he works at a thrift store in Chattanooga, so he gets like cute stuff. This is a camouflage like tote from J. Crew. Super cute. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, White House Black Market. Dang, this is so cute. This is like a white blazer, White House Black Market, size 4 petite, and it's brand new with tags of $160. God, this is beautiful. Oh yeah, he sent me a bunch of Carhartt. I'll show you these all together. I think these are from his personal closet. They're all short sleeve. It's an orange, a tan, a red, a gray. These are all Carhartts. The orange is a large, tan is an XL, red is a large, large gray, large black, and this is like a logo Carhartt. People like Carhartt, so we'll see. Actually, my gardener was just wearing a Carhartt beanie today. I should have asked if he wanted, but I didn't even know I had these. Oh, these are cute. Area by Tag, made in USA. It's like a vintage sweater. Cute. What is this? Sweater Graphics XL. This is cute too. Cute vintage. He's super into vintage. He sells a bunch of like vintage tees and stuff. Oh my god, I love this. Gap. This is just the Gap. This is like, this, I would totally be attracted to a man wearing this. This is like, I wish my husband could fit in this. It's a size large, so I think he's too extra large for this, but I mean, he's an extra large, so I don't think he could fit this, but it's like pink, gray, and white, plaid, men's Gap. It's like super heavy and like textured. Very cool. Let's see, what is this? Nautica crew neck. This is just like kind of basic, navy blue. Tommy Hilfiger, like vintage sweater. It's like red and blue striped, kind of Freddy Krueger style. That's a men's XL. These are like nice though. This is a men's large Tommy sweater that's green. Super thick. Let's see. Ooh, another one. This one's purple. So this is another Tommy sweater. It's like a purple, size large. These are super nice quality because they're the old ones. Oops. Men's large navy. So it's cool that some of these are like the same item because the listings are going to be really easy because it's like 4 or 6 of the same items. What are these? Nike track pants, I think. Yep, size small. Those are nice too. What's this? Oh, is this? I remember there being a cashmere and cupcake piece from our call. Yeah, cupcakes and cashmere. This is that sweater. Super cute. I might even wear that once before selling it. This one is a size small. It's really cute though. Turtleneck. Oh yeah, and this was a nice piece I remember too. This is a North Face women's medium, like puffer. And it is like seriously flawless and it's white, which is like never happens with white clothes, I feel. This is a Nike sweats. This is like the same as those black pair. They're just gray and a men's size small. So again, with listing, you can either list them together. Whoops! Thought I almost knocked over my soda. Okay, let's open these up. These are kind of random. Some of this stuff is kind of random. These are like a high top cream Converse men's. I actually want these for myself, but they're not my size. 9.5 men's. Wish they were women's 9. I could fit those. I want a high top Converse for myself. Ooh, I see Patagonia. Let's show that first because I like Patagonia. I feel like Patagonia just means money. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is cute. It's like a men's like button up size medium. It's like a rusty orange red with a pocket. That's nice. He folded all this stuff so nice. I don't fold that well. I'm like bad at folding, I feel. A couple more men's. It looks like the rest of it's men's. This is a polo by Ralph Lauren, off-white, like button-up. Men's, what is this? Tommy Hilfiger dress shirt. This is actually cute. It's like classic Tommy, I feel. It's like white and blue striped, and it's a size large, 16.5 to 17, custom fit. Nice. Getting down to the bottom. Let's see what this is. Oh, just American Eagle like blazer. Tweed. Men's. This one's a size small. It's actually super nice though. Then last but definitely not least. Oh, it's another American Eagle size small. This one's just navy. The other one was like a tweedish gray and black. Blazer. So that is my haul for you today. I think this was worth 90 bucks. I'm gonna have to recount the pieces and figure out exactly how much it was per piece, especially just for my accounting and my inventory tracking. But I think these are some great pieces. I usually don't sell this much men's, so it'll be kind of fun and interesting to get all that in my closet. Definitely a lot of menswear, but also some great women's items like that North Face jacket, and that cashmere and cupcakes is cute as well. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I hope you enjoyed this haul video. Comment below if you have any questions, and please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I need subscribers to keep doing videos, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help with anything, any questions you have for me about my business, or if you need help in yours, I'm willing to help you. I only know what I know, and a lot of it's just been trial and error, but I have been reselling since 2007. So feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have here on YouTube or on Instagram. Pretty much on everywhere, it's My Pink Hanger. Have a good one.